My name's Amanda, and I'm kind of new here. Yay, I actually am still annoying. Good to know. So today, I'm kind of trying to use things up. Today's my grandfather's birthday, and I have some other stuff going on. So I have to do a quick look and take care of my grandparents and go to the gym and still look presentable in the meantime. So this here is the last of my mixture. I'll do the follow the leader link up here. But I thought, hey, you know what? Considering what I need to do, I'll just add a little moisturizer. This is just some from Walmart, and I just opened it because I wasn't quite done with what I had. I'm adding 3 pumps, and I am taking a makeup brush, and I'm just going to stir it up because I have to go to the gym afterwards. I am doing a HIIT class, and due to some other circumstances, I have not been able to make it this week on Wednesday, and I do it 3 days a week. So I'm going to go get my money's worth. So I also have a little bit of primer. Should I put that in there? Hell, why not? Right? So we're just going to dump a little, just a little. See? Just a little. And we'll mix it in. Because, heck, why not? And I can tell you that this little, sorry, I just smushed some on my shirt. This little, Jello shot container is pretty much done. It's like no more. So, we're going to put this on, and we're going to give it a shot. And because I'm going to be doing my no makeup look, which just means tinted moisturizer and some blush and maybe some bronzer, we're going to try this out. Okay guys, well, let's see if I can't get this. Oh, I thought I'd show you my shirt. The I pooped today shirt. I had a cup of coffee, so you know, that happens. And I have, okay. So, I'm going to get in close to the mirror because honestly guys, I haven't looked at this. I've never tried this before, so hey, we're going to give it a go. We're giving it a shot. Oh, and I have to go wet my makeup sponge. Okay guys, I'm back. I gotta put on foundation. Not a foundation. Concealer. I know what I mean. Oh, let's see. Man, still a little in there. We'll throw on grab a bronzer. And guys, I have a cream blush from Pure. I'm going to use it. Get it out with the little brush that's on it because it's here, and this is supposed to be a really quick thing because I had to take my puppy to doggy daycare. I have to edit my video, and I have to get to my grandparents' house. Yay, it snapped. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to go in with my bronzer, my Wet n Wild, my trusty bronzer in Ticket to Brazil, I believe. Bikini Contest wrong. Ticket to Brazil, I think, is an eyeshadow palette from Beige Cosmetics. So I've got blush, I have bronzer, I already have chapstick on. Oh, I forgot to do this. I'll just be more careful about where I put it. So I'm going to put a little on my eyelids because I am not putting on eyeshadow. And I put the sponge somewhere. Guys, little mascara. And this is what I do. Next week I'll have a little more planned. Oh, I know probably have a lot going on. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go in with 3 mascaras again. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Max Fanatic. Can you see it? And then I will go in with the Clump Crusher from CoverGirl. And then I will go in with the Total Temptation. You don't have to do this. This is me being extra. I'm going in with a pretty bland face today, and so I thought, hey, why not? Alright. Just thought I'd let you know. I'll let you skip this. I'll cut it out. Okay, guys. One last thing. I just need to set my tinted moisturizer this mixture. So what I'm going to do is actually go in with an LA Colors that I got at Dollar Tree because you know what? Why not? Why not use it? It's just powder. And I'm going to put that up top in my forehead. Down my nose, pretty much everywhere that doesn't have, and for the record, down here, I did accidentally get myself with the mascara wand. So just remember when you do that, don't go wipe it off because then it smears, like I did. Just know that you can just wait till it dries and then dink 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 and you're good. Alright? So this is it. This is the going to grandma's house look. And yeah, so running a brush through my hair, and remember guys, oh, and over the I pooped shirt there'll be a sweatshirt, just so you know. And just remember guys, if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And if you look, I think it's over there and to the bottom. I think I'm putting it the right way. There is a watermark that says subscribe. So subscribe if you like what you see here. If you don't, well, I'm sorry. I'll try to do better. Just tell me what you want to see. You know, that's family friendly and appropriate. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye!